Good evening, students. Today we will continue variation problems which is based on worksheet 3. Worksheet 1 was direct variation, worksheet 2 was inverse variation. Now worksheet 3 questions are based on direct and inverse both variation. So this question carefully you will observe. You have to identify first whether the problem is direct or inverse. So some questions are very easy that I am not solving, which are different type that I am solving. Question number 2 is there. Some in given question, in 10 days some amount of work done. So they are asking what amount of work will finish in 8 days. So let the, which we don't know, that we assume x, let the amount of work will be completed x. In 8 days x amount of work is completed. So as per question we will fit the given information. Number of days 10. In 10 days what work is finished? No work given, means one work is given. So we will write here one work. So in 10 days one work is completed, one work. So in 8 days let the x work completed. Now you think this is the direct or inverse variation. In more days you will complete more work or less work. Suppose 10 days one work. So in 20 days how many work you will do? 2 days, two work. So more days you will complete more amount of work. So this is direct variation. So direct variation we solve by cross multiplication. So 10 into x is equal to 8 into s. After solution we have got 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 amount of work will be completed. So in 10 days one work, in 8 days 4 upon 5 means some part. This is showing the part of that work. This is one work, this is 4 by 5 means less than one work. 4 upon 5 work. Question number 5 is based on length of train is given and length of train 280 meter given, and this train is crossing the one pole. So for example I am showing you how much time it will require and speed is given. This is passing one pole and this is the train. So this is the length of train is 280 meter. This is the train, its length is 280 meter, and this is pole, and asking if the speed of this train is 42 km per hour. Speed of this train is 42 km per hour and the length of train is 280 meter. So how much time is required to cross a pole? So we will start here stopwatch, and when this train will completely pass, then we will stop our stopwatch. So what you observe? 280 meter train it is passing. So that much time is required to cross the whole train. So total distance covered by train is its length only, because this length is negligible. Length means this side width, this will not measure. So this we will start our stopwatch, and when it will reach here we will stop. So the total length of train is only here total distance covered by train. But another problem is there. Speed is given in kilometer per hour and length of train is given in meter. So what we will do? We will convert the speed in meter per second, because there are two units generally we use. In physics also you have learnt, either kilometer per hour or meter per second. So our length of train is not in kilometer, meter it is given. So we will convert our speed in meter per second. So you see how to convert the speed into meter per second. Kilometer per hour, I can write per hour means hour will be in denominator, and 42 kilometer will be written as 42,000 meter, and this is 1 hour. So 1 hour can be written as 3600 seconds, because in 1 hour how many seconds? 3600. 60 into 60 means 3600 seconds. After solution of this, after cutting this, we will get 35 upon 3 and upside meter and upside second. These two will be used in our table. Now as per question, this what two things we have to compare? Distance and time. When distance in meter. Now we have converted our this distance and time in another unit, meter per second. So distance we will take in meter and time we will take in second. So from this information speed, these two boxes will be filled. How? You see, distance 35 मीटर, ये कितने समय में कंप्लीट हुआ? 35 मीटर को कंप्लीट करने में 3 सेकेंड लगा, तो टाइम में लिखेंगे 3। तो 35 मीटर को कंप्लीट करने में 3 सेकेंड लगा, तो 280 मीटर को कंप्लीट करने में कितना समय लगेगा? x सेकेंड्स। That is why we have framed this table 35/3. In book it is given in another way, so you don't see the book, you follow this pattern. In book it is converted into decimal. No need to convert into decimal, we can write 35/3. In table we can use like this. Book में यहाँ decimal में लिखता है, यहाँ 1 लिखता है. No need to see that. You can put these values. तो बिना decimal के solve हो जाएगा ये. तो 35 मीटर पर 3 सेकेंड में, पर सेकेंड नहीं है, 35 मीटर 3 सेकेंड में यहाँ लिख दिए। और हमारा लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन 280 मीटर है, तो हियर वी आर पुटिंग, तो 280 मीटर को क्रॉस करने में कितना समय लगेगा? दिस इज डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन, बिकॉज मोर डिस्टेंस मोर टाइम, ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम चाहिए, तो ये डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन है। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से सॉल्व करेंगे, आंसर केम 24 सेकेंड। तो 35 मीटर को 3 सेकंड में करता है, तो 280 मीटर को इट विल कवर इन 24 सेकंड। तो ये जो ट्रेन है इस पोल को 24 सेकंड में क्रॉस कर लेगा। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ फिजिक्स। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया है, वन स्पीड इज गिवन एंड आस्किंग कन्वर्ट इनटू किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो ये स्पीड इज इक्वल टू हम लोग जानते हैं, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम। तो डिस्टेंस 350 मीटर गिवन, बट क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो वी विल चेंज आवर यूनिट। ए मीटर को हम लोग को वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू किलोमीटर, तो इसका अपोजिट करेंगे। 1 किलोमीटर में कितना? 1000 मीटर। तो 1 मीटर में कितना? तो वी विल डिवाइड बाई 1000, तो 350 डिवाइडेड बाई 1000 इतना किलोमीटर हो गया। दिस इज डिस्टेंस इन किलोमीटर। सिमिलरली टाइम 28 सेकेंड, अब इसको आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो 1 घंटे में 3600 सेकेंड्स, तो उल्टा अब करना है। 28 सेकेंड्स में कितना घंटा? हाउ मेनी आवर्स? तो 28 डिवाइडेड बाई 3600, तो ये आवर डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम कन्वर्टेड इनटू किलोमीटर एंड आवर्स। नाउ अप्लाई द लॉ ऑफ फार्मूला स्पीड, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम। तो ये आपका डिस्टेंस किस फॉर्मेट में है? किलोमीटर, और अपॉन मीन्स डिवीजन साइन, दिस आई हैव रिटन इन डिवीजन, और टाइम को लिख दिया हूँ यहाँ से इन दिस फॉर्मेट, दिस इज द डिवीजन साइन एंड दिस डिवीजन इज फॉर दिस फार्मूला, and when it is solved division will be converted into multiplication। तो ये ऊपर reciprocal of this we will write, and इसको after cutting we will get 45। now our answer is kilometer per hour, so the answer of this question is 45 kilometer per hour। so your question is only you will solve up this question number 6। your homework is question number 1 से 2 6। Again you see your homework is question number 1 to question 6, only this is homework up till question number 6, 7 onwards tomorrow I will teach।